Oh, this is really cool. Oh my god. This is very light.
Hello everyone. So after a long time, welcome to my channel. And today I am going to unbox Dji Mini 3. I'm super excited. To be honest, I'm super excited. So here is some quick info. So I bought this from DJI official website and I got around 13% discount. That's because of the Black Friday. This is the base version, Mini 3, not the combo one. And I got 13%. So the actual price was 519 euros, and I got around 60 euro discount, which is good deal, I think. And I also bought a memory for recording the videos, also for DJI care refresh for 1 year, so which is good, I think, for the safety purpose, like if I crash this drone, or so if it's fly away, so I will get 2-time replacement, and one is just fly away, and another one is for crash. Another info: if I don't use any care refresh within 1 year, so I will get another year support for free. So which is also around 60 euro. So if I want to extend for the next year, I mean, there will be a care refresh, and then maybe I will have to extend this before ending the year. And I am super excited to see what inside the box actually. So I was waiting for around 10 days for this one, because I bought it around probably 2nd of December, probably, yeah. Like it was come from actually Netherlands, probably Netherlands, Germany, and then Finland. So it's travel lots of country.
Thank you. Whoa. Oh god. Chargers probably. Oh, this is the propeller, and this is another. This is very light. I have this memory. Okay, so I can use this one. Extra propeller. Maybe. This is just a gift.
And thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the sky. Bye bye. Take care.